Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The salary of 106 employees was noted and the following data was obtained. We have to determine the modal salary of the employees. Now we know mode of a grouped data is given by mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by h, where L is lower limit of modal class. F1 is frequency of modal class. F0 is frequency previous to modal class. F2 is frequency next to modal class, and H is class size. So let's see, modal class is the class which has highest frequency. Therefore, modal class is, let's see, 118.2122, which has frequency of F1 of 20. That is, number of employees is 20 there. Now let's simply put the values here. Modal salary equal to 118 plus 20 minus 19 divided by 40 minus 19 minus 11 multiplied by 4. So this is equal to 118 plus 1 by 10 into 4, which is equal to, let's see, 118 plus 0.4. So we have 118.4 and the salary is given in thousands. So 118.4 thousands is the modal salary. So answer is option A.